Hey guys, this is Zombie Zero. I am giving you another knife review on the Quarrow Pocket knife, and it's a pretty nice, size blade. That's a, and it comes with a bunch of little gadgets. It comes with a nice LED light right here, and it's bright, very bright. There is also can can opener right here. Some Then on the other side there's um then on the other side there's some pliers right here. Um it only comes with those three things, I guess. But even though it comes with a couple of things, it's still pretty nice knife. I mean, I use it all the time. Sharp, sharp. Um, it doesn't break easily, but mine is kind of broke. But it's an easy fix. The the switch to put it down is stuck on the other side, but I can get that fixed soon. And that's pretty much it. It's a really good knife. I like it. I suggest you guys get it. And see you next time. Thanks for watching.